It's Miss Stacy. Today I'm going to be reading you a story called Don't Push the Button. This is one of my most favorite stories, and they have a series, so there's a bunch of different books. Don't Push the Button, Don't Push the Button at Christmas, Don't Push the Button at Halloween. There's a bunch of them. So this one is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. So he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. So let's begin. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. What do you guys think? Should we push it? No, we can't. We mustn't. We can't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Give it a push. Ah! Now I'm yellow! Quick, push it again! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. You think that was enough? A little bit more? Okay. Let's see what happens. Almost. A little bit more. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, guys. I want you to scratch Larry's tummy. Okay. That's Tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. That was a silly book. My favorite part was that every time we pushed the button, something would change. Larry's a silly guy. So my challenge for you today is I want you to get your own book and I want you to read it to your family. Now, if you don't know how to read yet, that's okay. In the Shining Stars class, we like to use the pictures to help us tell the story. So we look at the pictures and we look what's happening and then we make up words for it. So you can kind of create your own story. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.